So I've noticed the butterfly bush has bloomed, and I'm going to show you. This is the butterfly bush. That's what it looks like before it starts to bloom. Here is another one. Here is purple. We got a purple over here. This one's like a magenta. Very beautiful. Okay, so now let me show you. There's another stalk right here. Similar. It's curling. Some of these leaves look weird on the edges. But the top is definitely not a butterfly bush. That, my friends, that's a weed. So pull that from your garden. This is going to look beautiful.